Welcome once again. In this session, let us see some more physical quantities conversion from MKS to CGS and from MKS to SI system also. Let me take up a physical quantity, that is force. What is the definition of force? Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Clear? So F is equal to M into A. M into A. This is the equation we have. Okay. Now, let us see the dimension formula of the force. Dimension formula. Clear? So, mass is M. Acceleration is L_t minus. The force dimension formula is mL_t minus 2. Let us see its units. The units are units. First one, I would like to make in the MKS system. So in the MKS system, mass is kg and hyphen I am putting. Length is meter and second, time is second square. Kg meter per second square. This is not minus, be careful. Kg meter per second square. Similarly, in the CGS system, that is CGS system, mass is grams, so grams, length is centimeter per second square, gram centimeter per second square. These are the units of the force. Okay? Now, I would like to convert the MK system of units of force into the CGS system. Here. So, I want to know 1 kg meter per second square is equal to how many quantities of grams centimeter per second square. So I want to convert MKS into the, this is MKS into the CGS. I want to convert. Okay. What is the general formula we have? We have is N1 U1 is equal to N2 U. This is the formula we have. So here in this formula, I substitute N1. How many quantities of units? 1. Original quantity is 1. 1 into, what are the units? Original quantity kg meter per second square, which is equal to unknown quantity into which I want to convert. So that I don't know, N2 into the, to which, in which I want to know is grams centimeter per second square. Gram centimeter per second square. Clear? Now observe. 1 into 1 kg is how many grams? 1000 grams. 1000 grams. And 1 meter is how many centimeters? 100 centimeters per second square, which is equal to into unknown into gram as well as it is I am keeping centimeter per second. Be careful, these are not minuses, these are hyphens. Okay, clear? Now, On either side, on either side, gram, centimeter, gram, centimeter, denominator second square cancels. Now it is how much? 1000 into 100, 10 to the power of 5. N2 is how much? 10 to the power of 5. N2 becomes 10 to the power of. That means, in conclusion, I can write that 1 kg meter per second square becomes 10 to the power of 5 grams centimeter per second square. Here, so this is MKS and this is CGS. Okay. Now observe carefully that this MKS further can also be converted into the SI system. SI, System of International, SI system. Okay. You know, in the earlier class, I told that 1 kg per kg meter per second square is 1 Newton. This is Newton. So this is 1 Newton. Clear? And in the CGS, this entire quantity is known as dyne. That means final conclusion is what? The final conclusion is 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. This is conclusion. Okay. So dyne is lesser quantity and Newton is a larger quantity. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Is it clear? Right. This is a conversion how we can make from the MKS to the CGS and even vice versa also, and from the MKS to the SI system of units. Let us take up another quantity. Another physical quantity is, here I am taking up the work. What is the definition of work? Force into distance. That is displacement. Force is F into the D. F into the D is the work. Now, I would like to write its dimension formula. So, dimension formula is, force is what? MLT minus 2. Distance is L. Final dimension formula ML square T minus 2. Okay. And coming to the its units. If you know the dimension formula, you can easily write the units. MKS. In the MKS system, what are the units? This mass kg and meter square, length is meter square, second square. Similarly, in the CGS system, mass grams, that is grams and centimeter square per second. MKS and the CGS. Clear? And be careful. That is, I would like to convert. I want to convert that 1 kg meter square per second square units of work into okay, grams centimeter square per second square units. From MKS to from MKS to to CGS. This is CGS system I want to convert. Now, same formula, let us make use of. That is N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. This is the formula. And from this formula, I can write N1 is 1 and this is kg, original unit, meter square hyphen meter square per second square. And N2 is, I don't know, that is N2 in which I want to convert new system of units. And this into which the new system is grams centimeters square per second square. Clear? No. 1 into 1 kg is 1000 grams. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeters, this is square. So centimeter square per second square, which is equal to N2 into gram centimeter square per second square. Look carefully. On either side, gram goes, centimeter square goes, second square cancels. So observe carefully. 1000 into 10 to the power of 4. That means 10 to the power of 7. So finally, that is here the N2 becomes N to the power of 7. N2 becomes 10 to the power of 7. Okay. Now, here after conversion, 1 kg meter square per second square units of work is converted into 10 to the power of 7 gram centimeter square per second square. Observe, now I want to convert this entire system into the SI units. MKS into the SI units, system of international units. So in this case, if I take up this entire thing is known as 1 joule. So 1 joule, J stands for 1 joule, is equal to 10 to the power of 7. And this thing is known as earth. So earths. So 1 joule is equal to, here I am writing clearly, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 x. Clear? So this is how you can deal with the conversion of units. Clear? So you can convert from the MKS to CGS, even the CGS to the MKS also, and from the MKS to the SI system. Okay? I conclude the session.